Hello and welcome back to Crypto Kings. Michael Saylor's reconsideration of his stance on Ethereum in light of the SEC's approval of spot exchange traded funds, ETFs, reflects a significant shift in perspective within the crypto community. In the recent episode of the What Bitcoin Did For Me podcast, Saylor highlighted the positive implications of the SEC's decision not only for Bitcoin, but for the entire crypto sector. The approval of several Ethereum ETFs by the SEC is seen as a pivotal moment in indicating the growing political influence of the crypto industry. This decision signals a potential shift in regulatory attitudes towards crypto, particularly Ethereum, which has long been the subject to speculation regarding its regulatory status. This unexpected greenlight of various ETH related financial instruments by the SEC has sparked discussions among insiders and the potential underlying motivations and the broader implications in the crypto markets. Saylor's remarks underscore the evolving landscape of crypto regulation and the increasing mainstream acceptance of digital assets. This development may pave the way for greater institutional participation and investment in cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin, potentially expanding the market and driving further innovation in the sector. The recent approval of Ethereum exchange-traded funds by the U.S. Securities of Exchange Commissions has sparked discussions among various stakeholders, leading many to speculate about its broader implications, including its potential reflection of President Joe Biden's stance on crypto. Michael Saylor, the executive chairman and co-founder of MicroStrategy, has emerged as a prominent voice in interpreting the significance of the regulatory decision. Saylor's belief that approval signals a favorable change in President Biden's attitude towards cryptocurrencies reflects a broader sentiment within the crypto community. This shift is seen as a positive development, suggesting a more open and accommodating regulatory environment for digital assets under the current admin. Moreover, Saylor's assertions that the approval is beneficial for Bitcoin underscores the interconnectedness of different cryptocurrencies within the market ecosystem. While Ethereum's approval may directly benefit its ecosystem investors, Saylor suggests that it also has positive implications for Bitcoin and the crypto industry as a whole. This sentiment stems from the recognition that regulatory developments affecting one crypto can influence market dynamics and perceptions of the entire asset class. Furthermore, Saylor's emphasis on the increased political clout and solidarity within the crypto industry highlights a growing sense of cohesion and advocacy among stakeholders. This successful lobbying efforts and engagement with regulatory authorities reflects a maturing industry that is actively shaping its regulatory landscape. Michael Saylor's anticipation of the approval of exchange-traded funds or ETFs driving greater institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies reflects a deep understanding of market dynamics and investor sentiment. As the executive chairman and co-founder of MicroStrategy, a company with a significant investment in Bitcoin, Saylor's insights carry weight within the crypto community and beyond. The approval of Ethereum ETFs represents a significant milestone in the maturation of the crypto market. It provides institutional investors with a regulated avenue to gain exposure to Ethereum, a leading blockchain within a particularly wide range of decentralized applications and smart contract functionality. By offering ETF tied to Ethereum, regulatory authorities are acknowledging the legitimacy in asset classes and providing institutional investors with more options for diversification within their portfolios. Saylor's assertions that more institutions will view crypto as a legitimate asset class and allocate capital across different cryptos aligns with the broader trend of increasing institutional interest in digital assets. Institutions are recognizing the potential of cryptocurrencies to serve as a hedge against traditional financial markets, such as risks and inflation, as well as a source of uncorrelated returns. However, Saylor's predictions that Bitcoin will likely receive the largest portion of the investments is grounded in Bitcoin's status as the digital gold of the crypto market. Bitcoin's limited supply, established network, and first mover advantage have solidified its position as the leading crypto and store of value. Institutional investors seeking exposure to the crypto market may prioritize Bitcoin due to its perceived stability and long-term growth for potential. Saylor's expectations that mainstream investors might allocate around 5 to 10% to the overall crypto asset class, with Bitcoin comprising 60 to 70% of that allocation, reflects a conservative yet realistic assessment of the market's potential. While institutional adoption of crypto is growing, it is still in the early stages, and investors may proceed cautiously as they navigate regulatory uncertainties and market volatility. Michael Saylor's unwavering confidence in Bitcoin's future, reiterated during his recent remarks, underscores both his personal belief in the cryptocurrency and MicroStrategy's steadfast commitment to it. As the chairman and co-founder of MicroStrategy, Saylor has been a vocal advocate for Bitcoin, positioning the company as a pioneering force in integrating digital assets into corporate treasuries. MicroStrategy's significant investment in Bitcoin is a testament to Saylor's conviction in its long-term viability as a store of value and hedge against inflation. With over 214,000 Bitcoins in its holdings, valued at approximately $15 billion, MicroStrategy has emerged as the largest public holder of Bitcoin. The substantial position not only reflects the company's confidence in Bitcoin, but also willingness to allocate a considerable portion of its treasury reserves to a digital asset. Based in Virginia, MicroStrategy has become synonymous with Bitcoin adoption within the corporate world. Saylor's leadership has played a pivotal role in shaping the company's strategic directions driving its bold embrace of crypto as a core component of its financial strategies. By embracing Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset, MicroStrategy has differentiated itself from traditional corporate treasuries and positioned itself as the forefront of the digital transformation of finance. Saylor's expression of optimism and Bitcoin's success is rooted in his assessments of its fundamental strengths and its trajectory within the broader financial landscape. Bitcoin's decentralized nature, limited supply, and growing adoption as a store of value has contributed to its resilience and long-term growth potentials. Saylor's belief that Bitcoin is progressing as quickly as they expected reflects his confidence in his ability to overcome challenges and continue its upward trajectory over time. Moreover, Saylor's caution against interfering with Bitcoin's trajectory speaks about the importance of preserving its fundamental principles and resisting the urge to manipulate its market dynamics. Bitcoin's value proposition lies in its trustless and decentralized nature, which is upheld by its open source protocol and consensus mechanism. Any attempts to tamper with these foundational elements could undermine Bitcoin's integrity and erode investor confidence. Saylor's advocacy for Bitcoin extends beyond MicroStrategy's corporate interests to the broader crypto community. As a prominent figure within the industry, his public endorsements and strategic insights carry significant weight, influencing investor sentiment and shaping the narrative around Bitcoin's role in the future of finance. By reaffirming his confidence in Bitcoin's future, Saylor reinforces its status as a leading digital asset and encourages others to recognize its potential as a transformative force in the global economy. Saylor's recent shift in perspective on Ethereum represents a significant evolution in his understanding of the regulatory landscape surrounding crypto. Initially anticipating that the SEC would classify ETH as a security, Saylor's subsequent acknowledgement of Ethereum ETFs approvals indicates a reevaluation of regulatory expectations. His predictions regarding the regulatory fate of other crypto like BNB, Solana, and XRP also underscored the cautious approach to the regulatory environment. However, the unexpected approval of Ethereum ETFs by the SEC challenges Saylor's earlier assertions about the regulatory fate of crypto beyond Bitcoin. This regulatory development suggests a more nuanced approach by regulators and opens the door to broader acceptance of crypto within traditional financial markets. Saylor's revised perspective acknowledges the evolving regulatory dynamics shaping the crypto industry and highlights the need for ongoing adoption and analysis in response to regulatory shifts. That was all from us today for this video, folks. For more similar content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.